Hello and welcome to our home tech. In this video, we're going to look at how we can easily create a Windows 10 bootable USB. Without further ado, let's get started. Welcome back. In this video, we are looking at how easily we can create Windows 10 bootable USB device. So this software can be used to create any other bootable USB stick as well. So I'm going to use Rufus 3.1. So you can go to this website and download your appropriate Rufus and install it. So basically it's an exe file. So I'm done here. So I'm going to right click and run as an administrator. So I'm going to use that. So I already downloaded my Windows 10 USB on the desktop. So what I'm going to do, this is already my USB device. USB stick is already detected, which I downloaded down here. It's 8 gig. I'm going to go ahead and select my ISB. So just leave it at Disco ISO image. So select. I'm going to select my USB. Click OK. So you don't need to do anything. If you want, you can change the name of the USB, which is going to be how you look like. So I'm going to click Start. So this is information you can see. Whatever you have in a USB will be completely wiped and you will lose all your data. So before you do anything, please do back up your data and click OK. Once you click OK, it's going to check MBR and GDP, and it's going to make your USB as a bootable USB device. So I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to come back and see how this works. Now you can see this is completely finished now. I'm going to close. If I go to my computer, I can see this made the USB bootable device. So this is how you make a bootable USB device. Hopefully this video is very helpful. If you like this video, please do subscribe and leave your comment down below. Thanks for watching.